Binaural beats. Using headphones, listen to sounds that have a low frequency so you can improve your focus. Nature sounds. Ocean waves, rain, or forest sounds can promote relaxation and reduce stress. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Solfeggio frequencies. Ancient tones believed to have healing properties. 528 Hz for transformation, 432 Hz for harmony. 528 Hz for sound healing, 432 Hz for frequency healing. From the science of brainwaves to the power of meditation, sound offers a transformative pathway to inner peace, spiritual awakening, and a healthier mind, body, and soul. By becoming more mindful of the sounds that surround you and intentionally incorporating beneficial frequencies into your daily life, you can unlock your full potential for well-being. What sounds resonate most deeply with you? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Positive Energy channel for more tips on harnessing the